What's up, everybody? I just wanted to give you all an update on the gauges. So I ran all the wires over here finally. This is going to be your input to the gauges. This is it comes with a cord with the kit, but I actually had to get another one that was longer. It's a VIP or UTP Cat 5E patch cable. You get those for like $5-10 at Walmart or something. I just got a longer one because I got it running all the way over there. They only give you enough to kind of run it to under the dash or wherever if that's what you're planning on doing. They don't really take in consideration if you're going to run it long distances like I am. So I got all that ran. This is a cable that comes with it that is like 5 inches for what they put in the bag. So I extended that. Got a longer cable for the input. In my last video, I showed the harness for the extension for the inputs for the fuel, lights, and turn signals and stuff like that. It's all ran. About to hook that up here in a bit. Yeah, so it's all bolted down. Looking pretty good. And they're nice and tight. I haven't put the dash trim in yet. Those little, if y'all know about these trucks, the light assembly that screws into the trim piece, they're freaking brittle as hell with those little bitty screws. So I had to fix that with a little bit of RTV Gorilla Glue stuff to harden it up. It's over there curing now. But I actually got a perfect one at the junkyard the other day that the corner pieces, none of them are broke. So if y'all know about these trim pieces too, a lot of them are broke. Yeah, so it's looking good and they're nice and tight. Looking good. Should be all wired up here shortly. Yeah, I mean, I know y'all wanted some detailed wiring video on it. I don't know how much more in detail I want, man. Or that y'all want. Literally grabbed a schematics off of the internet for the truck, found which ones I needed to clip behind there, and as you've seen in the last video, and cut and spliced it and soldered it together, and then made this extension harness for it to be right there. So like this one will just plug right into there, right into there. And I'll tuck that back in there. And then these ones right here go into one right there, and then they'll plug in and be operational. Can't wait to get this all said and done and running.